Hey guys, I'm Tamia and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a what's in my travel bag. I will be going out of town soon, so expect travel vlogs. But let's get into it. So there is one thing that is essential for me. So I'm bringing my Stanley cup. It's this Valentine's Day Stanley cup that is really good. It keeps your water cold and everything. I do have to add a few things to my travel bag before I go out of town, which is just my snacks and sort of that stuff. But everything is pretty much in here. So I have this Disney bag. I got this a while ago and I love her. Down. It's this Walt Disney bag, and yeah, that's really it. So we're gonna go in the first pocket. So I am vlogging, so of course I need this stuff for my DJI. These are like indie filters that I think are good, especially when I'm like in the sun. So we have that. Then my auntie made me this 3D print for like all my SD cards, so gotta have that as well. Then we have my iPad stuff, so I can put it so I can read on the plane. We have this cord that I really don't remember what that's for. Okay, second pocket. Then we have my hard drive for my computer so I can edit on my computer. This will be in my purse, but for now it's in here. This is for my DJI, and I just close it down so I can clip it like that. Then another thing for my DJI, this is a like a tripod, but it's magnetized for the back, so you just can put it on anywhere that's magnetic. And then it has this little strap, which is really good. Then I am giving this to my sister because she is starting vlogging. So we have this little Ulanzi light. It is really bright. I just looked at it because I was gonna use this, but I don't know where but look how like that's so bright, and it has like different modes, and like wow, like that's so bright. It's really nice though. And it just turns off. My thing just died, so I'm gonna have to use the one that is in my bag. Hold on. Sorry if y'all can't see. Since I opened this up already, I am bringing my DJI mini mics. I'm not gonna bring the one that came with my DJI because I am streaming, so I thought this would be good for my streaming, and I could use this for my camera. So yeah. Then we have this DJI stabilizer for my phone for when I start streaming, because I'm gonna be streaming IRL. So yeah, we have that, and then we're just gonna bring her back down. Then I have some antibacterial wipes. I have these wipes that my mom had. I have these type of wipes, and then I got yikes. Then I have wet wipes as well, because the plane is dirty. I have this flash for my camera, but I do have another one coming in, so I'm going to see which one is better for my Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. So we have that one. It's the Rodox this one's that Rodox IM30. We're going to try the IM20. Then I'm giving this to my other sister, and this is just a fake auto buddy. Yeah. Then we had a thing for my DJI, and you just place it in like that, and you can just sit it on the table. And you don't need a tripod, so need her. Then I'm thinking about not bringing this because I will be reading on my iPad majority of the time. So I don't think I'm gonna read this or bring this. I think I'm just gonna bring my iPad because yeah, I'm not gonna bring that. That was just in there. Then my sister has a camera, so I think this would be cute on her camera instead of the black one. And it's really cute. Like, yeah. Then second pouch, I have these headphones. Didn't want to bring my big 500 pair of earphones because they're heavy, 2, they're expensive, and I don't want to lose them. So we have these. Then I have this phone tripod just in case, but I'm probably not gonna use this because I do all my TikToks on my DJI. Then we have my Mac Pro. I don't really use this to edit recently. I've been using my Mac Mini, so that's what I've been editing on. But I want to start doing a travel on the go. So yeah, then we have a SD card reader and different ports and stuff as well. Then last thing is I have my iPad mini. I got this for Christmas last year and I was so happy I got it. It is dead at the moment, but we're gonna ignore that. But I love the stickers and then my pen, and I could edit on this, but I feel like I need a keyboard if I am gonna edit on it. So yeah, and then of course I have this as well as my DJI carrying case. Has all the essentials, like I said. It has another charger thing, and then I have this. I don't put it on my DJI, but it has a wide angle lens, so I could do it so you can see more. And that is it. What's in my travel bag. So I thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe down below for more videos. Bye guys. Peace. Okay, last thing is I have my iPad mini. I got this for Christmas last year and I was so happy I got it. It is dead at the moment, but we're gonna ignore that. But I love the stickers and then my pen, and I could edit on this, but I feel like I need a keyboard if I am gonna edit on it. So yeah, and then of course I have this as well as my DJI carrying case. Has all the essentials, like I said. It has another charger thing, and then I have this. I don't put it on my DJI, but it has a wide angle lens, so I could do it so you can see more. But yeah, and that is it of what's in my travel bag. So I thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe down below for more videos. Bye guys. Peace.